Hello, no, I'm not Jacqui Bennett. I realize you were expecting to see her, but she had an accident this weekend and she's going to be just fine, but she's temporarily unable to speak due to an injury. So she has asked me to present her finals. I'm Iris Zink. I am the manager of this show, and I'm also a CFA Albury judge. So we would like to start out by thanking the sponsors of this event. We are very grateful to them for their support. And we're going to look at Jacqui's top 15 kittens. 15th best is an adorable Persian red tabby and white van. Look at those copper eyes. Gorgeous guy. 14th best is a Cornish Rex baby with incredible marcel waves, beautiful erect ears, lovely gold eyes, proper egg-shaped head. I definitely approve. 13th best is a lovely exotic, the beautiful round head, round eyes to match. Look at those mascara lines that she's got coming out of the end of her eyes. Just lovely. She is Jacqui's 13th best kitten. Next up is a Russian blue baby with absolutely perfect, incredible ear set, beautiful green eyes. It's just stunning. 12th best. Next, we have a Siamese with beautiful triangular head, ears are nice and broad at the base, lovely eye color. 11th best kitten. Another exotic, this one a patched tabby, another beautiful round face, gorgeous round eyes, fabulous pattern on this girl. She is Jacqui's 10th best. A magnificent color point short hair. Look at that profile. Look at those gorgeous eyes, the fabulous body and boning. This is Jacqui's 9th best kitten. The Scottish fold long hair with tightly folded ears, beautiful owl-like expression. Look at that rounded skull, wonderful pattern, lovely coat, 8th best. A Siberian with fabulous coat. It's very unusual to see a triple coat coming in on a young baby like this, but the signs of it are definitely there. You can see the guard hairs. It's very exciting. And lovely brown tabby pattern. This is Jacqui's 7th best kitten. Stunning Oriental. Look at those ears. Fabulous set, broad at the base, beautiful angle, proper almond-shaped eyes. The coat and pattern look like they're just painted on. This is Jacqui's 6th best kitten. Lovely Burman girl. Look at that expression, very appealing. It's like she's asking you to pick her up and give her a hug. She is Jacqui's 5th best kitten. Selkirk Rex. Look at that squared off muzzle, beautiful eyes set far apart to give a sweet expression, lovely coat. The Selkirk Rex coat doesn't look good unless it looks bad. This is Jacqui's 4th best kitten. Fabulous Tonkinese, phenomenal aqua eyes. Look at that body. Look at that wonderful coloration, mink color, sweet expression, medium cat with no one part standing out, except you have to say those eyes really do stand out. And he is Jacqui's 3rd best kitten. Scottish fold, silver patch tabby in white. Ears are so tightly folded you can't even see them. You can see that beautifully rounded skull, the owl-like expression with those eyes, lovely presentation of the coat. This is Jacqui's 2nd best kitten. And best is this fabulous silver patch tabby Persian with copper eyes you could just get lost in, little baby ears, and coat that just goes on and on. This is Jacqui's absolute best kitten. And we want to thank everybody working behind the scenes to put everything, all the pieces together.